Well, hi there. It's Stacey Hawkins from StaceyHawkins.com, the place to be to make a better meal and live a better life, the Lean and Green way. And welcome to the first of a 4-part series that we're going to do this month on lean and green meals. Now, some of you may be on program, some of you may not be on program, but just looking for healthy meals for you and your family. But I want to take a few minutes today to talk about what we've got coming up. We're going to be talking about all the components of a lean and green meal, what makes them, why it's important. And the good news about this is once you learn how to master a lean and green meal, you'll be able to pretty much take the weight off. And as long as you're conscientious about what you're eating, hopefully be able to keep it off forever. And I want, of course, my mission in life is to teach you how to do that really quickly, easily, and most of all, deliciously. So that, if you're cooking for other people, the same meal you make for yourself is the same meal you'll make for them. And kind of sneakily, everybody will be eating better along with it because you're all going to love what you eat. So let's talk today quickly about the anatomy of a lean and green meal, or the components of a lean and green meal, and what makes a complete lean and green meal, because I'm sure you've heard a lot of terms thrown around, right? Lean, leaner, leanest, condiments, healthy fats, blah, blah, blah. Well, the truth is they all make up a complete lean and green meal. And if you're on the 5-in-1 program or the 4-in-2 or 4-in-1 or whatever it is that you're doing, or again, if you're just eating healthy, it's important to have a well-balanced meal. And that's what the lean and green meal comes down to. It includes lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. And it has to meet a certain parameter to go along with the calories and the macros, as they're called, or your carbohydrates and your fats and your calories as well, for the lean and green program. And, it's very chemically balanced, this program, as are all low carb programs, because if you have too many carbs, then what winds up happening is that your body goes from fat burning mode into burning the food that you just ate mode. And you don't want that. So we are particular about making sure that, at least for the green part, and we'll talk about this in 2 weeks time, but the green part has lower carbohydrates to them, so they are low glycemic vegetables, and you get a certain portion of those, and those vary depending on what it is you're eating. Then you have a protein portion, and the protein consists of protein and healthy fats. As you know, healthy fats are really important, and some proteins are more fatty than others, so depending on what kind of protein you eat will determine whether or not you get to eat a little extra fat along with that. And we'll talk about that next week, your lean, leaner, and leanest. And then you've also got the condiment portion. So, condiments, they're sneaky buggers because, you take a look at something like barbecue sauce or even sun-dried tomatoes, and they're loaded with carbohydrates. So you have to watch because, if you're eating just a piece of chicken, you may want to cover it in barbecue sauce because it makes it taste really good, but it totally throws off your program. So you don't want to do that. Cut to the chase, it can all be really overwhelming. So please continue to join me as we go along these next couple of weeks. For right now, I'm putting a link below for you so that you can have the first worksheet that you'll want to print out that will help you, as well as your week's Eats meal guide. So that'll help you as well to kind of plan out your lean and green meals for the week. So here we go. Stay tuned for the next week, and don't worry, I got your back. In the meantime, if you're looking for some great recipes, I'll put the link below for that too. You can check out StaceyHawkins.com, where flavorful meals and flavorful lives are what we are all about. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Thursday. Take care. Bye.